Discovering the many uses of vinegar. Vinegar is one of those magical items found in almost every pantry. While it's a kitchen staple useful for cooking and preserving food, vinegar's utility goes far beyond culinary applications. This humble liquid, especially white vinegar and apple cider vinegar, has proven its worth in cleaning, personal care, gardening, and even pet care. Let's dive into the fascinating world of vinegar and explore its myriad uses that make it a must-have in every household. Culinary uses of vinegar. Tenderizing meat. Marinating meat in vinegar helps break down the fibers, making it tender and flavorful. A simple mixture of vinegar, oil, and your favorite herbs can transform even the toughest cuts into melt-in-your-mouth delicacies. Enhancing flavors. A splash of vinegar can elevate the flavors of soups, stews, and sauces. It balances the richness with a hint of acidity, making your dishes pop with complexity. Baking. Apple cider vinegar is a fantastic substitute for eggs in vegan baking. Combine 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to leaven cakes and muffins. Using vinegar to aid in cleaning. All-purpose cleaner. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle to create an all-purpose cleaner. It's perfect for countertops, sinks, and even floors. Add a few drops of essential oil for a pleasant scent. Glass cleaner. Forget streaky windows and mirrors. A mixture of 2 tablespoons of white vinegar in a gallon of water will leave your glass surfaces sparkling clean. Removing odors. Got stubborn odors in your kitchen or bathroom? Place a bowl of white vinegar in the room overnight. It absorbs unpleasant smells, leaving the air fresh and clean. Fabric softener. Add a half cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle of your laundry. It softens clothes, reduces static, and removes soap residue without any harsh chemicals. Using vinegar in personal care. Hair rinse. Rinse your hair with a solution of 1 part apple cider vinegar to 3 parts of water. It removes product buildup, balances the scalp's pH, and leaves your hair shiny and soft. Skin toner. Diluted apple cider vinegar can be used as a toner for acne-prone skin. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts of water and apply with a cotton pad to help clear blemishes and balance your skin's pH. Soothe sunburns. Add a cup of apple cider vinegar to your bath water and soothe sunburned skin. Use vinegar for health and wellness. Sore throat relief. Gargle with a mixture of 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a glass of warm water to relieve a sore throat. Its antibacterial properties can help kill germs and soothe irritation. Digestive aid. A teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before meals can aid digestion and help with bloating and indigestion. Foot soak. Soak your feet in a basin of warm water mixed with half a cup of white vinegar. It helps combat fungal infections, soothes tired feet, and eliminates foot odor. Uses of vinegar around your home and garden. Weed killer. A spray bottle filled with white vinegar can act as an effective natural weed killer. Spray directly on weeds. Avoid plants you want to keep. Fruit and vegetable wash. Remove pesticides and bacteria from your product by washing them in a solution of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. Rinse thoroughly afterward. Flower preserver. Keep cut flowers fresh longer by adding 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar to the water in your vase. Using vinegar in pet care. Flea repellent. A solution of equal parts water and apple cider vinegar can be sprayed on your pet's fur to help repel fleas. Avoid sensitive areas and consult your vet if your pet has skin conditions. Pet odor remover. Clean up pet accidents with a mixture of 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. It neutralizes odors and disinfects the area, making it less likely for your pet to return to the same spot. Using vinegar in some fun science experiments. Volcano eruption. Create a fun educational volcano eruption with baking soda and vinegar. Combine them in a model volcano to watch the chemical reaction bubble over. Eggshell dissolver. Place an egg in a glass of vinegar and watch as the acidic acid dissolves the shell over a few days, leaving a bouncy rubber-like egg. Conclusion. Vinegar's versatility is nothing short of amazing. From the kitchen to the garden, and even in personal care, this inexpensive, natural product is a true powerhouse. So stock up and start exploring all the wonderful ways vinegar can simplify and enhance your daily routine. Stay safe, stay secure, and the next time you reach for that bottle of vinegar, remember it's not just for salads. It's a multi-purpose marvel that can make your life cleaner, healthier, and more enjoyable. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.